Alright guys, so this is a really simple process. All you need to do is just open up your Trust wallet, find the cryptocurrency you'd like to send to an exchange. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges you could actually use. You could either use Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, BitGet, or any platform. In this video, I'm going to be using BitGet. So all you need to do here is quite simple. We have some cryptocurrency we need to send. Depending on the network, you're going to need some other cryptocurrency to fund the gas fees. So if you're going to be sending cryptocurrencies on the BNB Smart Chain, you're going to need BNB Smart Chain tokens to cover your transactions. As such, we have some here. So let's say we wanted to send some Tether USD, that is some USDT. We're going to need to have BNB Smart Chain tokens in order to send that. And as you can see, we have some Tether here and we have some BNB. So all we need to do now is just minimize, scroll through, we find our BitGet, open up the BitGet, that's the cryptocurrency exchange we're going to be using. Make sure you have a verified account here, so make sure your account is verified. Alright, with that out of the way, all we need to do is just click on Add Funds and then select Deposit Crypto. Once you've clicked on Deposit Crypto, the next step you're going to be taking is really easy. We're going to be using the search to search for USDT. Once you've searched, go ahead and click on USDT and then simply select the USDT on the network we need. And that network is the BNB Smart Chain. That's the BEP20 or the Binance Smart Chain. Click on this and simply copy the address that's provided, minimize, head back to Trust Wallet, open up Trust Wallet, click on the Tether USD, click on Send, and then simply paste the wallet address and enter the amount you want to send, and simply click on Next and continue. So you're going to be using your Binance Smart Chain tokens, that's the BNB Smart Chain tokens, to cover your gas fees. So please keep that in mind. Now minimize, head back to BitGet, open it up, and head back to the home page. A simple reload will display your balance. Now, once your balance is here, the next step you're going to be taking is by selecting one of the toggles at the top. Just simply scroll through till you find the swap option. And the swap we're going to be looking for is P2P, that's peer-to-peer transactions. So you find it here in the popular section of the quick access page. So click on P2P, select your currency. You'll see it here, so click on the drop down. Search for your currency, which is the US dollar. Click on the US dollar and it's going to show up. So we're not buying, we're looking to sell. So click on the sell option. Once you've selected sell, go ahead and find a merchant who is verified on the platform with the little stars and then click on sell. And all you need to do is just simply enter the amount of cryptocurrencies you want to sell. You can see here our cryptocurrency by default is USDT. If yours isn't USDT by default, all you need to do is click on the crypto drop down at the top left, click on it and select USDT. That way you can easily sell it. Alright guys, so just make sure you have added your bank account to your P2P transaction. That way you can easily have it sent over to your local bank.